Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install app permission controls for Meta apps on iPhone. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install app permission controls for Meta apps on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device. Locate and tap on the settings icon on your home screen. Scroll down and find the privacy and security option. Tap on privacy and security to access the privacy settings. Within this menu, look for tracking. Select tracking to manage how apps track your activity. Here, you will see a toggle switch for allow apps to request to track. If it's turned on, you can choose to disable it if you want to prevent apps from requesting tracking permission. Next, return to the privacy and security menu. Scroll down to find location services. Tap on location services to adjust location tracking settings. Make sure that location services is turned on. Scroll through the list of apps to locate any Meta apps, such as Facebook or Instagram. Tap on the Meta app you wish to adjust settings for. You will see options for never, ask next time, while using the app, and always. Select the preferred option based on your privacy preferences. Return to the privacy and security menu once you have adjusted location settings. Now, find and tap on health if it's relevant to the Meta apps you use. You can also adjust health-related permissions for these apps from here. For notifications, go back to the main settings menu. Tap on notifications. Find the Meta app you want to adjust and select it. From here, you can choose to allow or disallow notifications. To manage camera and microphone access, return to privacy and security. Select camera and adjust permissions for each app. Repeat this for the microphone option as well. After you have reviewed and adjusted all necessary permissions, exit the Settings app. Your app permission controls for Meta apps are now set according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.